Hello YouTube, thanks for tuning into the GoPro Ghoulies Uzis YouTube channel. We are in the beautiful Whistler, British Columbia area at the Riverside Rental and Campground area. We are staying in a cabin for a couple of days. So we just arrived now. We'll take a tour of the area and show you. And the main lobby is just behind me. We're in Unit 5. We've got a couple chairs out here. And here's the entranceway. Hi, Sunny.
Hello.
So it's very cute. It caught us off guard. So as soon as you walk in, you got a couch here, a little sectional. Got the TV up on the wall. Got the TV up on the wall, guys. We got a ladder here to go up to, I guess, a bunk area. Maybe for the little kids or for some guests. I think there's a maximum of 4 people can stay in here. We'll go check that out in a second. And here's the bed. Looks like it's queen size, I would imagine. Very cozy. And we'll check out the kitchen. And it comes with dishes, a coffee pot, dishwashing soap, and everything like that. Got a small fridge here. You got the oven, toaster, and we have the washroom here. Nice size, and the shower. Oh, there's a few little spots down there. Tenting area. Registered guests only. There's a sign there.